Hi there, welcome to another video. Today I am fitting a shoe cupboard which I have designed in this little space. So basically what we've got here is right next to the main door we've got a little area here, and what we want is to have a little shoe cabinet here. And I've tried buying some stuff from Argos, IKEA and stuff, but nothing seems to complete the area in terms of its size. So I thought might as well just make one myself. So I've got some pieces cut, so let's see how it goes. So what we're going to do is we're going to first of all get rid of all this in the front and the bottom and everything, and then we're going to continue making the cupboard with the pieces that I've just been having cut. Okay, let's continue in a minute. I'm just going to take everything out now. Right, just to recap, and I've removed all the shelves and everything else that was there, so the doors and everything that they were removed. So now we're going to install the frame, and then after the frame we're going to start putting all the bits and pieces in. So I'll come back in a minute once I've done all of that. So yeah, welcome back. Just to recap on the work. So basically I've done that, and installed the cupboard, pretty much made from scratch now. So this is going to be no handles, just goes in, closes, right, and that's all you've got to do is press it and closes. Still work to be done, just waiting for the side fillers to put on. I'm going to put them in. So if you just open this, go up and down, got the automatic open close, and that's the wall. So yep, that needs to be completed as well. At the moment, just to get the measurements, all the doors are now in, so you can see they're all soft close as well, so you can either have that and then it closes by itself, and then all we've got to do is press it and then it closes. So yeah, so far so good. And you can see the difference between what it was before, what it is now. So this is a inbuilt cupboard with shoes, and underneath there was a meter here, and that's still there. That's the meter cupboard there. So yeah, I will continue to make this and give some updates, and hopefully it will be done soon. Hello again. This is still work in progress. I've taken the cupboard out now. I'm just putting the shelves on for the shoes, and I'm measuring each shoe, and you know, the kids' shoes are going to be in a different shelf length and the adults are going to be in a different shelf. So those are all going to go in, and then this cupboard is going to go back into its area. So yeah, work in progress. Yeah, this is the way I've actually come out with the solutions to putting these shoes in. So yeah, I'm just drilling the holes right now, creating the stencil shapes depending on the shoe size, and then putting them in. So wait for the finished product. Hopefully it'll look nice. Welcome back. This is the final video now. I'm shooting it after I've done the cupboard. So this is the actual cupboard that's ready. It's a shoe cabinet which I've done. So you can see it's nice and plain, no handles, nothing at all. And all it is, basically you just touch it and it opens up, and all the shoes are inside here like that. And the light at the top which turns on, and then you can see all the shoes are just piled here. It'll be a lot easier to manage now from what it was before. And underneath here is obviously the same touch open. You can see a meter cupboard here underneath, and then you can just close that, and basically it will close, soft close as well, but because it's push, or you can just push that in and let it close by itself. You can see it will close. There we go. This is a replacement of what it was there before, as I was showing you. So yeah, I hope this kind of gives some ideas, because the shoe cabinet is one of those I couldn't really find a one size fits all when it comes to shoe cupboards is like everybody's got their own way of doing things, but I have a very limited amount of space here. So as you can see, there is it's quite narrow, so you can't put a shoe straight. You can't really take that, and if you see that, it's like no, you can't do that. So either I can just like slide it in this way, or so I kind of made this L shape platform too for the shoes to rest in. And if you've got big boots, they can actually slide inside, and so yeah, it kind of worked out quite well. But yeah, and then also installed the little light up there, which turns on. It's got like a PIR sensor on it, so it comes on in the night time or even day, even just to keep a light of, you know, view of what's in there. I thought might as well install that while I'm here. So yeah, this is a right next to the door basically, so it's like a nice neat cabinet installed from what it was before. Oh, thanks for watching. Until next time, speak to you soon.